Hey there. In this tutorial we will learn about JSON API Form Data Store. In the Form Builder, drag the select box element. Click on it to configure it. In the Load Data From, choose JSON API. The JSON URL needs to contain data saved in JSON format. Here is an example of the JSON format. This is a list of countries. Copy the URL. Paste it here. The call type should be GET. The base JSON object name for multi-row data should be response. The ID column should be response.the column name. So here we have the column a name, so response.name. Label column should be the same. Click on Apply Change. Preview. Fantastic. It works. Let's try another one of the options form elements, like checkbox or radio. Configure it accordingly. Nice. This is the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.